Hi everyone, today I will show you a new script that makes working with the Mesh constraint tool a little easier. Let's open the Snap to Mesh panel. Now I have three objects, polygons, a cube, and a sphere. Let's copy the name of the mesh with the sphere. Now paste the copied name into the mesh field. Now let's switch to the layer with polygons and into the polygon selection mode. And click the apply button. And so our mesh with polygons is now deformed given the shape of the sphere. Let's increase the distance between the polygons and the sphere. Now the polygons are a little further away from the sphere. We have a parameter called subbed. This parameter enable or disable smoothing on the object to which the polygons will be snapped. This option is the same as pressing the tab key. Let's try to bind polygons to the shape of a cube. You can also select polygons. In this way, the snapping will work only for selected polygons. If you do not select the polygons, the snap will work for all polygons that are in the mesh layer. Let's go back to the sphere object. Now I'll press the T key on my keyboard and edit the mesh, and after each edit, I'll apply the snap to the mesh. The display of the axes on the tool interferes with me a bit, so I'll disable their visibility by going to the View tab in the top menu under the Tool Handles section. Now I'll press the T key again and start editing the mesh. This way you can quickly snap to the mesh of another object without having to hide, select, move, etc. actions. I think this is very convenient and complements the workflow of performing retopology or just modeling. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.